Let's review this book. Together let's take a look. Would you buy it or would you leave it? Let's review this book. Let's review this book. Together let's take a look. Would you like to keep it or would you let it go? Tell me in the comments below. Does it make the world a better place? Does it put a smile upon Mother Nature's face? Is it helping the animals to be free? Will it help us grow our empathy? Let's review this book. Together let's take a look. Would you like to keep it or would you let it go? Tell me in the comments below.
Hello students! Welcome to my front porch, welcome to class. I'm going to be looking at this magazine that gets delivered to my mailbox against my will.
It's not food, it's violence. All the animals wanted to live. It's not food, it's violence. Choose something else instead.
Somebody subscribed me to this and I've been just throwing it out in the recycling, and because I just never get around to calling the company or asking them to stop delivering it, I usually put it directly into the recycling, but I thought I would have a look at it because something caught my eye this time. The word plant.
Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart, you know where to start. Share this song and be vegan from now on.
So let's have a look and see if we see any signs of veganism in here. Meat and poultry, that doesn't start off too good. Some sort of a machine here, which I think it is used to help murder animals, so I'm not too impressed so far. Here we have somebody, who's this? Tyson Foods Greg Hooker is the 2022 Operations Executive of the Year. Well, here you go, guys, here you are. This is the face of evil. Somebody who operates a company that pays for the murder of animals. Absolutely horrific. And what the hell is this? Okay, more dead body parts. No, not impressed. What's this? Stuff your meat and set it free with the signature series. The heck's this? Look at this innocent pig getting thrown out of a cannon. Like that's somehow supposed to be funny? How would you like to be thrown out of a cannon? That would not be the expression on your face. You would be absolutely petrified. What the heck's going on? These people are disgusting. Absolutely sick in the head. What is this new meat technology? What's this supposed to mean? The only technology that you should be working towards is to make sure that all companies become vegan from now on.
Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals, go vegan.
Oh, we're going to talk about hunger relief. And then they're going to send them dead body parts to help them. Is that it? I don't know. What the heck's this? Ooh. What? Veggie patties. Plant-based protein. Okay, now we're talking. What is this? Flexible packaging and processing solutions for alternative meats. That means actual plants.
Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon.
Yes. No meat at all. No dead animal body parts. Okay. So that's good. We have some vegan companies that seem to be advertising here. Paperboard. Oh, that's nice. That sounds like it is something that is made out of something that is biodegradable. Okay. That looks interesting. What else have we got here? Hog heaven. It's all about bacon. What? No, thank you.
Run, run, run from humans. They're trying to stab you. They're trying to murder you, to call you bacon and burn you in a frying pan.
More murder. Look at this. I think it's a big joke. Murdering animals. Well, so far, I'm not really impressed with this magazine. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Continuously forming, continuously performing. What is this? Look at this. This is like Auschwitz. Look at all these dead body parts lined up. Let's see how quickly we can murder innocent animals and get them out of the factory. Keep your products fresh and appetizing with this type of packaging. Well, if it's vegan, good. If it's not, no thank you.
Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
What's this? My role in life is really just to challenge and push and ensure we've been aggressive enough in our thinking and design. How about you start being compassionate in your design and get rid of the dead body parts that are in your buildings? How about you start to have compassion in your heart? Oh my God, it's a vegan burger. Avocado, shiitake mushroom, and a vegan patty. Oh my God, it's a vegan burger. It's even got vegan mayo, hurry. Get this in my tummy. More dead animals. Look at this. This is like hell. Imagine making a machine that butchers innocent animals. Now, if this could be used for vegan hot dogs, that would be a good thing. But I don't see the word vegan anywhere here. Fresh young turkey. Horrific. More animal abuse. Nobody needs to be eating turkeys. Turkeys have a right to live. What's this? What is this? What does this do? Shoring up supply chains. Don't know what that is. Driven to succeed. Oh, here's the guy who murders animals. For the past 30 years, Tyson's Greg Ucker has proven he has the right stuff. Yep, he's grown the company all right. But, Greg, what are you waiting for? How many dead bodies are in your stomach right now, in your intestines? How many dead animals do you shit out into your toilet every day? Despicable. What's this? Another ad. What's this ad for? Look at this. Look at this. Imagine if this was cats. Imagine if this was dogs. Everybody would be freaking out right now. Horrible. Look at these people all proud of themselves. What are they doing? Building another factory? Another Auschwitz? Another way to murder animals in gas chambers? New bacon processing plant. Shame on all of you. Shame on you. Unbelievable. Imagine being proud to work in a place that murders animals. Imagine making money off the bodies of innocent animals who never did a single thing wrong to you ever.
Animals are innocent, like children. They need protection. Save them now. Save them now.
Disgusting. Small plant success. Unless this is a business that helps promote saving animals, saving the environment, and not polluting the environment for the next generations, to hell with them.
Jesus is vegan now and God is too. If you want to get to heaven, you better be vegan too. Fuck milk, cheese, eggs, or any kind of meat. Buy broccoli, tofu, and vegan food to eat. God wants us to be kind to the animals, or it's true. You risk getting roasted on the devil's barbecue.
100 head a day. 100 animals per day are murdered in this supposedly small plant. Look at that, eh? They paint a nice red barn to make it look like it's a peaceful place. In these buildings, animals are screaming, watching their friends die ahead of them. Imagine cutting someone up who never did a single thing wrong to you ever. Many times these workers go home and abuse their wives. So much violence. They're all desensitized to it. And you people eat it. You put death into your bodies. How can you expect to be a good person if you do that? All of these should be plant-based. Simply plant-based, made with tofu and other healthy ingredients. More BS. Trying to make themselves look good, like they're doing anything. Providing supposed food for people who are starving. Give them plants, not death. This is someone's muscle. This was someone. This is not something. My God, I'm only at page 30. There's so much more to go through. Awful. Horrible. There's blood in here, literal blood in here. Imagine cutting off your dog's leg and sticking it on a board like this.
Be fucking vegan.
Be like Joe Bartolozzi.
Be fucking vegan.
Tap into your empathy.
Be fucking vegan.
Come on and sing the song.
Be fucking vegan.
And Google watchthevegan.com.
Be fucking vegan.
What's this? Okay. New plant-based products are realizing more successful launches at food service outlets versus in retail where shoppers can be more discerning.
Think beyond meat, buy veggie burgers instead. Think of the animals. Think beyond meat, it's time to be vegan. Get it through your head.
Look at that. Doesn't that look like you could eat that? Look, the only thing that makes meat taste good is the vegan spices that you put on there. Look at all this. You could have vegan mayo. These look like they're delicious. Look at that. There's no excuse for animal abuse, guys. None whatsoever. I don't have time to look through all of this. What is this? Even this easily could be plant-based. And this too, field roast. Okay, this is grain meat. Pea protein. Way to go. Look at that. That is vegan.
Being vegan doesn't mean that you just do your best not to eat, wear, or use animals. Being vegan also means you bravely speak out to defend them.
I could eat that. You could eat that and you'd feel good about it. You don't need to hurt animals or destroy the environment. Animal agriculture leaves a horrific print on the environment, an eco-footprint that destroys the future for our children and grandchildren. Plant-based options are the best if you care about your health, the environment, and animals. What's this? Plant protein, you see? Look, it's everywhere. The largest wheat protein manufacturer in America. Yes. All right. You know what? I think I've had enough. I cannot go through this whole thing. Look at these machines meant to murder. Humane, stunning, made easy. Fuck you! There's nothing humane about killing someone. There is no humane way to kill someone who doesn't want to die. And if you don't know, put yourself in their position. If somebody said to you, how would you like to humanely die? You would say, I don't want to die. So whatever you're about to do to me is not humane. There you go. Middle finger. That's what I think of you. If you think this channel has value, like, subscribe, press the notification bell. Help me get the animals out of hell.
The egg industry is just a cycle of misery. They lie to you endlessly. Don't buy eggs, walk away. Go to egg-truth.com today. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save